Job done. So as you can see, I really didn't like the blue on the edge, on the borders, so I've changed it now to mahogany. This is what I wanted all along. So I'm slowly painting these, getting a job done for the winter. Another job to do during January is to keep an eye on the polytunnel. My polytunnel door doesn't shut properly and somebody's forced it open. So now I've just put a couple of catches here and another one here, and now when the door shuts it's not going to come open anymore. Still need to adjust this door as it's been so I need to adjust that, but that's another job done. Looking at the back door, this is always coming open, and zoom down the bottom there, animal keeps coming in, so I need to sort this out. This is very damp down here because we're on a slight hill. All the water comes down this end, so the floor and everything's really wet. So outside the door I really need to make some kind of platform like I've done at the top, decking or maybe some slabs. So in the back half of my tunnel, this is a bit of a wasted area. I've now stuck some shelves. Still need painting, still need just a bit of shortening, but now I've got some shelves in here too. This was a bit of an unknown area. I've also put a new board, a shorter board that I got from the skip, on my bed, so I can use this other board here for an outside bed, which is a lot better. So I've got a nice short bed now. I need to dry that before I can paint it, otherwise it's still looking good. So looking at the vegetables, the broad beans have shot up quite a bit recently, so they're looking good, so they really need to get in the ground. And also the onions, they need getting in the ground. Poached eggplants, I'm going to maybe thin those out. And this is the sweet peas. My potatoes are still underneath here, and there's still some green growth on them. But I'm thinking about putting my broad beans down the bottom here. I'm not sure whether broad beans will work in the tunnel because of the pollination by the animals, by the insects. I don't know, let me know. What do you think? I'm thinking about putting just a few rows where the potatoes are. I want to try most items that you can grow in the polytunnel this year. So I want to be a bit experimental, see if I can do it. And look at the garlic. The garlic's on the end there. A few weeds coming up too.